Hello guys, Namaste, this is PVJ and I welcome all of you to another video on the subject of basic electrical engineering. We are going through video series on electromagnetism and electromagnetic induction, and today we are going to understand what is self-induced EMF, and also we are going to derive its equation. So it's very important that you watch this video till the end and like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for all the notifications so that you will get all the updates. Now let's start today's session. Okay, so what is self-induction or what is self-induced EMF? Whenever change in current in the coil leads to EMF induction in coil itself, then it is called as self-induced EMF. मीन्स आपके पास अगर एक कॉइल है उसमें से आपने करंट वैरी किया और वो करंट वैरी करने के वजह से फ्लक्स लिंकिंग विद द कॉइल इटसेल्फ वो भी वैरी हुआ एंड दैट लीडेड टू ईएमएफ इंडक्शन इन द सेम कॉइल, then it is called as self-induced EMF. So let me explain you this by means of a figure, very simple figure. We are having an iron core. Let me take the red pen. We are having the iron core, and on that iron core we are placing a winding, a coil, and which is connected to a source of voltage and a variable resistance. We are having variable resistance. Now what will happen whenever current flows through this coil? Current will flow like this. Whenever current flows through this coil, it is going to establish flux. Okay, it is going to establish magnetic flux as per right hand thumb rule applied to solenoid. This will be north pole and this will be south pole. Curled finger indicates the direction of current and thumb indicates the north pole. So as this is north and this is south, magnetic lines of force will look like this, north towards south. So these are magnetic lines of the force or flux that you are seeing in the blue color. Now when I vary this resistance, the current flowing through this circuit, suppose current is I, that is going to vary. And as current varies, whatever flux is being produced, this is flux phi, that will also get vary. Now this flux is linking with coil itself and it will lead to EMF induction. All of us know by Faraday's law, whenever there is change in flux associated with coil or conductor, EMF gets induced in coil or conductor. So इस coil में EMF induction होगा क्योंकि हमने current vary किया है, फ्लक्स भी वेरी होगा, ये वेरिएबल फ्लक्स कॉइल के साथ लिंक होगा और उसमें ईएमएफ इंडक्शन होगा. So I hope you have understood what is self-induced EMF. Whenever change in current in the coil leads to EMF induction in coil itself, it is called as self-induced EMF. So let's write below this figure circuit for concept of self-induction. Now what we are going to do is within next few minutes we are going to derive equation for self-induction, and for deriving equation of self-induction we need to know Lenz's law. Lenz's law is basis for deriving all the equations related to electromagnetic induction. So I am writing by Lenz's law. What we know by Lenz's law? E is equal to minus n d phi by dt, right? E is equal to minus n d phi by dt. Okay, now what I am going to do over here is I am going to write where phi is equal to phi by I into I. I am doing this adjustment. I am making sure that the term I gets included in this derivation because variation of current is what responsible for EMF induction. So somehow we need this term I for further deriving the equation. So I am doing this little bit adjustment. This is very important adjustment. Phi is equal to phi by I into I. That is nothing but phi is equal to phi because I is going to get cancelled. So I am considering this and I am going to substitute this equation in this now. So what I can write further is E is equal to minus n d by dt of phi by I into I. Now here comes the very important point, the term phi by I. ये जो term है phi by I, this term, this remains constant. Phi by I remains constant because as in the proportion current varies, in the same proportion flux varies. Flux is directly proportional to current. इसका दूसरा मीनिंग क्या होता है? Flux is proportional to current and phi by I is constant. We have just replaced the proportionality sign by equal to sign and we have considered phi by I as a constant. So phi by I is the constant term and hence it will come outside the derivative. So I can write E is equal to minus n phi by I minus n phi by I into di by dt. And this minus n phi by I, this n phi minus sign is because of Lenz law. I hope you know Lenz law. Lenz law is what? The induced EMF always opposes cause responsible for its production. That is the negative sign. But if you consider this term n phi by I, it is called as inductance of coil. Therefore, E is equal to minus L di by dt. This is the equation of self-induced EMF. You can write its unit volt. Equation of self-induced EMF is E is equal to minus L di by dt. I hope this is visible. If it is not, मैं थोड़ा नीचे लिखता हूँ उसको. E is equal to minus L di by dt. Okay, you can consider this as a small I or capital I, it doesn't matter. Where L is equal to n phi by I, unit is Henry. It is called as self-inductance, coefficient of self-induction, yeah, self-inductance. So what is L? L is inductance. And inductance is measured in Henry. So I hope you have understood what is self-induced EMF, how EMF induction takes place in case of self-induced EMF, and what is the equation of self-induced EMF. It is E is equal to minus L di by dt, where L is equal to n phi by I. Now I'll take 2 more minutes from you and we need to write few more equations of L. Okay, मैं इसको थोड़ा सा enclosure करता हूँ. Also, again I am going to use the same pen now. Also, phi is equal to Ni by S. I hope you remember this. Flux is equal to mmf upon reluctance. Flux is equal to mmf upon reluctance. So we'll substitute this equation in this equation. Therefore, what I'll get is L is equal to n square by S. So this is other possible equation of L. L is equal to n square by S, where n are number of turns of coil and S is reluctance of this magnetic circuit. And also you can obtain, unit is of course Henry. Also you can obtain one more equation of L by substituting the value of S. You can write, therefore L is also equal to n square mu 0 mu r A divided by small l. How I obtained this equation? I obtained this equation by using the equation of S. What is S? S is reluctance and S is equal to L upon mu 0 mu r A. So L upon mu 0 mu r A in the denominator, the denominator's denominator will become numerator. So mu 0 mu r A are shifted to numerator and in denominator there is L. So this is equation of L. So there are 3 possible equations of L: n phi by I, n square by S and n square mu 0 mu r A divided by L. I hope you have understood this concept of self-induction and also the derivation for self-induction. Make sure you note down these points in your notebook. These are very important for first year engineering, not only first year engineering, but from the point of MPSC, UPSC and all the entry level exams in the field of engineering for government exams. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. I love you all.